So good day everyone. Today we'll be looking at using completing the square method to solve for quadratic equations. But now, before we start solving with completing the square method, we need to derive what is completing the square method. So in this case, let's say we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So how do we solve this kind of questions? First of all, divide all through by the coefficient of x squared, in this case, which is a. Coefficient of x squared is what is beside x squared to layman. So that means in this case we divide by all through by a. So a cancel out a. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals to 0. So take the constant to the right hand side. So when we do that, what we're going to have is this x squared plus b over ax equals to minus c over a, because when it comes to the other side it turns to this. So what you have to do next now is this: we take the coefficient of x and find the half of the coefficient of x. So we take the coefficient of x, comma, multiply it by 1 over 2 and add its square to both sides. So what are we going to have when we do that? We're going to have that is b over a times 1 over 2. This is what it means. So you give us b over 2a, then we add the square to both sides. That means x squared plus b over a x plus b over 2a all squared equals to b over 2a all squared minus c over a. So when we do that now, this becomes x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a all squared equals to b squared. No, 2a times 2 will give us 4a squared minus c over a. So now, what happens is this now. On this left hand side, it's called perfect expression. So when we have solved this now, we've made the left hand side to be perfect expression. So we're going to write x, then the sign that we have here. In this case, it is minus. So that means x, in this case, it is plus, positive. That is plus. Then we have what we have in this square. We write it out. That means b over 2a all squared. So all squared. Then this is, find the LCM of this one. That is 4a squared. So 4a squared in 4a squared, b squared. So a, we cancel one of these a squared. So it gives us 4a. That's the LCM. So in a nutshell, we have b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now, since this is a perfect expression, we can simplify. That means we can eliminate this square here. So to eliminate this square, that means we square root both sides. Square root both sides. So what do you have now? It's going to give us x plus b over 2a squared. Then the square roots, these cancel themselves out. They have a square root of what? B square minus 4ac over 4a square. Remember that 4a square is this. It's the square root of 4a square. We squared 2a to get 4a square. So this is, so we can have x plus b over 2a. Since it is a perfect expression, it's going to have plus or minus. So in this case, we can find the square root of the numerator, which is b square minus 4ac, but the denominator is 2a. So what do we do now? We can take this x plus b over 2a. You can bring b over 2a to the other side. It becomes x plus what? Minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Since they both have the same denominator, we can write it this way now. Minus b square root of plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is our final answer because I have solved using completing the square method. So we'll be able to get our two unknowns. So this is what we call the quadratic formula. We use it to solve any quadratic question. Thank you for joining the class. See you next class. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.